Hi, this is AZ again, Director of Excellent English. Welcome to the fourth rule for speaking excellent English. Now, this rule is also very simple. In fact, all the rules are simple. But when you use all of them, change the way you learn English, you will get fantastic results. So, rule number 4 is also important. Rule number 4 again is very simple, and it is learn deeply, deep learning. What's that mean? Well, deep learning basically means repeating what you learn again, many times. So this case is very different from the way you learn in school. Unfortunately, most schools have a lot of pressure to go fast. They're always pushing the student to learn more vocabulary very fast. New grammar. Every week, new grammar. Every week, a lot of words, right? Because they're going through this textbook and they're trying to finish textbook very quickly. So, what's the problem? Well, the problem is the student, you learn a lot of stuff, but then you forget it. You forget what you learn, or remember the basic idea, but you can't use it. So, for example, our students who have studied English learn the past tense. You learn the past tense, but you study it in a textbook, and then boom, very fast, you went and you learn more grammar. You learn possessive, you learn future, you learn the present perfect. So constantly going very fast. You never mastered the past tense. You did not learn the past tense deeply, like a native speaker. That's why you make mistake with the past tense too. You study many years, but you make still mistake with the past tense because you never mastered it. You never learn it very deeply. So you need to slow down and repeat everything you learn again. For example, when people use my after English lesson, when they buy my lesson, I tell them, you listen to the same lesson set, the same words, lesson and the same topic every day for 2 weeks. That right? Yeah, the same lesson, maybe 2 or 3 lessons you listen. The same was Monday, Tuesday, same lesson, Wednesday, same lesson, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, for 2 weeks. If it's still difficult, then do it again. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, it's not a race. You want to learn everything very deeply, so that you really learn it, so that you never forget it, so you can really use it. That's deep learning. So if you have an audio article or podcast, something you have listening to and you take it, don't just listen 1 time. 1 time is not enough. 5 times is not enough. You should listen to that, the article, the speech, whatever it is. You should listen to it 30 times, 50 times, 100 times or more. Well, you can filter. Maybe you have 2 or 3 audio articles, and each day you listen to all of them. But then you repeat them again, you repeat them again. You are learning deeply. Even after you know the vocabulary, continue to listening the same thing. Because knowing the vocabulary doesn't mean like take a test and say the meaning. But you hear it, you instantly understand it. Can you use it quickly, easily and automatically? If the answer is no, you need to repeat more. You need to listen to that same word, phrase, sentence, article, lesson again. Many times. This is one of the key secrets to speaking faster and really learning grammar correctly and use it correctly. So focus, for example, when you listen a story in the past tense. Listen that story again, and again. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Then another story in the past tense. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And then another story in the past tense. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You never stop. I am a native speaker, and all my life I have been learning the past tense. I still listen to the past tense now, and I will as long as I live. So you never stop. The basic key, past tense, grammar, learning, all of it. That's a common words. You gotta keep listening to them like a native speaker. You hear them every single day. You repeat them again. I heard the past tense, I don't know, 10,000 times, millions of times. I heard the basic comments, most of vocabulary in English listening. Every day, thousands, tens of thousands, millions of thousand times. And I will continue to hear them. That's why I can use them quickly and automatically. And maybe you can't. You just listen more and more. Repetition, you gotta learn words deeply. Focus on the most common words, the most common vocabulary, the most common in English. Through the listening and then repeat. When you do that, that's the key, that's the secret. That's how you will develop. That's how you will get automatic speaking. Okay, so that's our rule today. The rule number 4, deep learning. Repeating everything a lot. Repeat many times. So I will see you tomorrow with rule number 5. Have a great day. Bye bye.